programs? I get this question all the time. Now, you have a couple options. You can attend our school and do online and in-person hours, or you can do just our online program and attend another school to get your in-person hours and your internship. We offer 231 hours online with either option. Now, with our online, it's going to be self-paced. You can complete it at any time. You can work on it on any device. So you aren't stuck waiting for a Zoom meeting every day from 6 to 10 while you're at home and watching those. You can get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and do a couple hours if that's what you prefer. With our online program, we've got games, we've got a lot of interactivity with our online program. So that's what makes it different from a lot of other programs. Now, for our in-person classes, we've got two options for programs that are our in-person classes. We have our core program. Now, this is a 500-hour program. It includes the 231 hours online that I talked about before, 219 hours in person where you're going to learn your hand skills, you're going to learn our massage routine, you're going to learn deep tissue, you're going to learn trigger point, and other fun services. We even do spa services. Now, with this core program, there's only 50 hours of internship for that program. So this is the state minimum that you're required to have to get licensed here in Texas. Now, our advanced program, now this is a separate program from our core program. You don't pick and put them together, so it's one or the other. You're not going to do both programs. Our advanced core program is a 600-hour program. Now, it's the same 231 hours that are online and the exact same 219 in-person hours. But what you're going to do, you're going to have 150 hours of internship. This gives you a chance to really build your hand skills with a wide variety of clients. You'll have an opportunity to have regulars that come in and see you. You get that option to really grow while you're considered a student instead of being a licensed professional where people are expecting so much more from you. Now let's talk cost of programs. If you want to do just the online program, the total tuition is $2,500. Our core program is $4,500. Now here's the best thing. Our advanced program, it's only $2,500. So yes, you're doing the 231 hours online, the 219 hours in person, and 150 hours of internship, and it's cheaper than the core program. We wanted everyone to be able to have those hand skills when they graduated. That's why we offer that program so much cheaper than the others. All right, if you have any other questions about our programs, send me an email.